Hello and welcome to the section of the Matlab tutor. Here we're going to learn how to clean up our plots just a little bit. Just do a little bit of basic customization. When you have more than one plot on the same graph, sometimes it's nice to be able to differentiate one from the other and just change a few elements of it. So just to recall from the last section, we defined x to be from 0 to 10 in increments of 0.1, so that produced a very long list of data here. And then we declared the y vector to be sine of x, and then we declared the g vector to be cosine of x. So it's all the same data that we were looking at from the last section. So if we plot x comma y comma x comma g, plotting the two functions at the same time, then what we're going to get is the following graph, which we've already looked at before. Now again, it's functional, it works. It's just a little hard sometimes to tell between the two different graphs here. So let me show you something. We can replot that, retrieve the last command, and let me just sort of take this off. So you plot x comma y, and for a third argument, if you put a single quote and then put a dash like this, and then do x comma g, and then do another argument, double dash, something like this, then basically what you're telling Matlab is plot the first set of data using, a line, and plot the second set of data using sort of like a dash line. So let's go ahead and hit enter and see what something like that looks like. We'll go to the figure and you can see things have changed. The first set of data, which is the sine of x, the blue line, is basically still a line. That's what the single dash basically does, is treat it as a line. And then a double dash basically treats it as what you see here, a dashed line. So that's quite useful. You can do variations of this as well. If you don't want this to be a line, you can also use a period. So the first set of data will be plotted as dots, and the second set of data will be plotted as this dashed line. So we can go ahead and hit